Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching Economic Calendar on Insta TV. Few economic reports are on tap at the end of this week, but the United States and China will reveal some significant news. Thus, on Friday morning, the Chinese Statistics Office will unveil a report on trade balance for December. The latest report indicated contraction. The trade balance registered a surplus of $44.61 billion in November versus the figure of $49.06 billion in October. Meanwhile, analysts expected the trade surplus to decrease to $46.3 billion. Exports inched up by 0.1%, while imports grew by 6.7% in annual terms. As a result, China's trade surplus decreased by $9.49 billion from the last year. In November 2015, this figure was $54.1 billion. Now markets are expecting that China's trade surplus expanded to $47.6 billion in December. Later on Friday, the United States will publish statistics on retail sales for December. In November, the total retail sales volume in the United States ticked up by 0.1% from October on a seasonally adjusted basis. Meanwhile, analysts expected the retail sales to increase by 0.3%. The growth of retail sales slowed down for the third straight month in November, despite the pre-Christmas fuss and Black Friday, which marks the start of seasonal sales. Some experts think that US consumers were cautious due to uncertainty over the presidential election. At the same time, the retail sales excluding auto sales indicator, which provides better insight into conditions of the retail sector, inched up by 0.2% in November. However, it failed to meet expectations, which called for a rise of 0.4%. Analysts expect the retail sales grow by 0.5% in December. On top of the above events, the following macroeconomic statistics can affect currency movements at the end of the week. On Thursday, some representatives of the US Federal Reserve will deliver speeches, and a report on jobless claims will be published. On Friday, Fed's chief Janet Yellen will speak at a town hall meeting in Washington, and statistics on US producer prices and US consumer confidence will be published. And this concludes the economic calendar prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.